as I was talking about, right? The other variety is that there's a mixture which has some alcohol and water. 4 liters of mixture is taken out. So there is a mixture, 4 liters of mixture has been taken out. Now the mixture will be m minus 4, or put me 50, and now it will be 46 liters. Now I am adding 4 liters of water. Right here I have removed entire mixture. So this mixture will be mix of alcohol plus water, but what am I adding back? Only water. The total mixture will still be 50 liters, but the split of alcohol and water will change because I have added only water, but I have removed both alcohol and mixture in the earlier case. So how do we do with this? How do we do these problems? Some amount of thing is removed and then we add. So this is slightly different to what we have discussed earlier. So here it's completely only water, right? Now I'm removing that and I'm replacing it with the milk. So there is milk, there is water, and there is total. There was no milk earlier. I had 30 gallons of water, so the total will be 30. What is step 1? I'm removing 3 gallons of water. So that will make it 0, 27, 27, and it is replaced by milk. So I again add 3 gallons of milk. So this will be plus 3, this will be 27, and the total will be 30. And this is the entire process of 3 gallons of water is taken out of it and replaced by milk. Now this process is repeated again. That means I am doing the same thing again. That is second time. I am removing 3 gallons of water. That will be, the milk will be still 23 itself. The water will be 27 minus 3, that's 24. The mixture will be 27. I am adding again 3 gallons of milk. So 3 plus 3 is 6. This will be 24 and the total will be 30. This is the current situation after I remove water and add or replace with milk 2 times. Now the question says find the proportion of the milk and water in the resulting mixture. Milk is to water. So I know milk is 6 and water is 24. The answer is 1:4. Right? So I always recommend you to use this thing, whatever the mixture, the total, the quantity, element 1 and element 2, write those values and see what is being removed, what is being added, and keep doing it and you'll get it in the right manner. It might take a bit of time because I've detailed it down here a lot. You can be very quick by skipping some steps once you get used to this method. Right? This is another type where I have a mixture with some element 1, element 2, then the whole mixture, some quantity of the mixture is taken out and is replaced with some other element, and now they'll give you the new ratio or the new percentage. So again do the same thing, milk, water, and the total. I don't know the actual quantity, so let me assume it to be x liters. So now I know the ratio is 4:1. So I understand this to be 4x by 5, this to be x by 5 liters, because the ratio is 4:1. So the total x liters will be split in this 4x by 5 and x by 5. These are the absolute quantities. We are removing 10 gallons of mixture. One point that we need to know is this: when I am removing 10 gallons of mixture or whatever the quantity, the mixture would also go with the same ratio or the percentage or the split of it. So I know that in x liters 4:1 is the ratio. Even in the 10 gallons, the 4:1 ratio is the split of milk and water. So that means milk must be 4 by 5 into 10, that is 8 gallons, and water will be 1 by 5 into 10, 2 gallons. So 10 gallons of mixture contains 8 gallons of milk and 2 gallons of water. So that means I have to remove 8 gallons of milk, 2 gallons of water, totally 10. So that will give me 4x by 5 minus 8, x by 5 minus 2, x minus 10. What is the next step? Is replaced by milk. So I am adding 10 gallons of milk. So 4x by 5 minus 8 plus 10. That is 4x by 5 plus 2. X by 5 minus 2 plus 0, nothing is added. And this will be x minus 10 plus 10, that is x. This is x by 5 minus 2. These are the final quantities. Once we have removed some mixture and add milk with that, add milk back to it. So they are saying the new ratio of milk to water is 6:1 in the new ratio, the new mixture. So milk is this, water is this, so the ratio is 4x by 5 plus 2 by x by 5 minus 2 is equals to 6 by 1. Right, so this can be further written as 4x plus 10 by 5 by x minus 10 by 5 equals to 6 by 1. I cross multiply. 4x plus 10 is equals to 6x minus 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 2x, x is equals to 35. Right, so we started off with 35 gallons of mixture containing milk and water, and then we did so and so to satisfy the given condition. So let me check and show that. This is 35, this should be 7, and this should be 28. I started off with 35 gallons of mixture which contained milk, 28 gallons of milk and 7 gallons of water. Now I am removing 10 grams of mixture which is 8 grams of milk and 2 grams of water. So that makes this to be 28 minus 8, 20, and this will be 7 minus 2, 5, and this will be 35 minus 10, 25. 25, 25. Now I am adding back 10 grams of milk. So 20 plus 10 is 30. This will be 5. This will be 35. So milk is 30 and water is 5. That is basically 6:1. That is the given ratio. So find the quantity of the mixture. The answer is 35 gallons. And if you see, all the problems that we have done simply has this element 1, element 2 of the mixture. What is the initial situation, the quantities, then what am I doing, operations like adding, removing, replacing and stuff like that. Just do them step by step and you'll get the answer. There is no way that you'll get the wrong answer if you do these steps properly. All we are doing is simply applying the basic ratios or percentages, right, and then addition and subtraction, nothing more than that.